Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Nest to enable home/away automations, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started, ensure that your Nest device is powered on and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Open the Nest app on your smartphone or tablet. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your email address and password to access your account. If you don't have an account, select the option to create a new account. Follow the on-screen prompts to provide the necessary information for account creation. Once logged in, locate the home icon at the bottom of the app. Tap on the settings gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and select the Home/Away Assist option. Ensure that Home/Away Assist is turned on by toggling the switch to the on position. Next, select Nest Presence to set up your home's occupancy detection. Follow the prompts to add your phone as a trusted device for presence detection. Make sure that location services are enabled for the Nest app. You can now customize additional settings, such as specific activities that will trigger automations. After you finish, tap Save to apply your changes. To test your setup, leave your home with your phone and observe if the Nest device registers your absence. Return home and check if it recognizes your presence again. With these steps completed, you have successfully registered with Nest and enabled home/away automations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.